Hey guys, so today I guess I'm gonna do a review on just facial products. Um, like concealers, cover-ups, brushes to use, what kind of stuff works for what. Okay. First off, there's no CoverGirl items here because I'm allergic to CoverGirl, so I cannot use CoverGirl. Have a lot of Maybelline, the Maybelline Mineral Power. We have Avon. Maybelline and Maybelline. So, Avon and Maybelline, pretty much. So, I'm gonna start off with the mineral powder. This one is a, oh, you can't really see that, huh? It's a light 4. It's a little too dark for me right now because it's kind of winter time, but it was fine a while ago. But yeah, it works. You can see how much is left in there. Yeah, not much, but it works really well. You just, the brush then there's this one too. The brush it comes with is this. I want to call it like a tiny kabuki brush or whatever those are called. But it's too rough. I really do not like using this brush. For the longest time, what I would do is I would apply my Avon a new compact thing, just like this. I would apply this on first and then put this over it with a brush like this, just a normal blush brush. And then I realized if I do it this way, it does less powder with a bigger fluffy brush. But I figured that worked a lot because the powder this stuff pretty much set the compact. And this stuff works amazingly. It's really expensive. I can't afford to get it anymore. It was like 12 or 15 bucks. It only comes with this much. Like, this little circle is usually full, and it's not even that deep. It probably lasts about 2 or 3 weeks, depending on how often I want to put on cover-up. And it just comes with a sponge applicator. This is a new one. Like, kind of. You don't want to use the same one over and over and over again. You can use it a few times, throw it out, and get a new one. Once it gets to be too much covered up and starts dripping and stuff like this, you want to throw it out to get a new one. They're like, you can get them in little packets and stuff. But yes, I would do that for the longest time. And then, since that one's almost out, I don't know why I haven't been using it, but even these, just by themselves, without a liquid or compact underneath them, they work great. This concealer is beige. I think it's like medium 2 to 4. Yeah, medium 2 to 4, because this is 3 and this is 4. So, this works really good. I put it under my eyes because I have really dark circles. And you can put it on pimples, and it works really well. With the dark circles, you have Avon you would think a new is usually for older people, which a lot of their products are. I'm 18 years old and I use this because I have dark circles under my eyes. You apply this cream to your eyes day and night, twice a day, a very little amount. It looks half empty because it was like laying on its side. And it comes in this little thing, like this goes on top, and yeah, and then it opens up and you have this highlighter. This stuff is a very light color. You just put it underneath your eyes, and then you can put your powder foundation on top of it, your liquid foundation, whatever. It's to highlight your eyes to make it look less dark, I guess, yeah. So there's this. It's at Avon. And then the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. It was my mom's, and I decided to try it out because I believe it is water-based. I'm not entirely sure. Hold on. The active ingredients. Oh, water is the second ingredient, but still, it's very. I kind of don't like it much. It's kind of oily feeling on me, and leaves my face kind of shiny. So, like, if I put this on and then the powder, it looks okay, but it still makes my face really oily. And yeah, that's pretty much just a review of facial products and Maybelline and Avon, pretty much. Yeah, so if you get this Maybelline thing, I would suggest you not use this brush. You can use a bigger kabuki brush, or I use this fluffy brush because I lightly put it on just to set my foundation. So there you go, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great weekend, guys.